Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone and Mr. Doi. Introduce me myself. My name is Alvaro Ramadana. People call me Alvaro. With student ID 220682491 from numerical method class 03. Today I will be discuss the review of the numerical method final exam that we have context. Before we begin, let us first pray together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay. The first intention. This is number one of final exam. Intention. The objective of this analysis is to model the suspension system of a activity trial when load with a satellite using the distinct of abrupt. The analysis aims to determine the critical dam value for exoc, solve the spring mass system equation for exoc using both the give and the critical damping coefficient, and evaluate the performance of exoc in the context of spotting the satellite on the trailer. The ultimate goal is to identify the optimal shock absorb for the steady suspension system to ensure effective loading and transport. Okay, and number two, next step, this initial thinking. Okay, the initial approach involves simulating the suspension system by modeling it as a single shock absorb and applying the differential equation m d quadrat x per dt quadrat plus b dx per dt plus kx f of t. In this equation, x of t represent the displacement from its equilibrium position in meter. M the mass of object in kilogram. B is the damp constant in Newton second per meter, and K is the spring constant in Newton per meter, and F of T is the external force in Newton. Oke, air coaster 220 Newton per meter, 100 Newton second per meter, Cold Rider 59 Newton per meter, 1050 Newton second per meter, and Extreme Shock 170 Newton per meter, dan 1110 Newton second per meter. Oke, next. Oke, next step is idealization. Uh, M sama dengan 1800 kilogram, K 100 spring constant 170 Newton, damping coefficient 1110, impulse force 150, number of rocks 13, time between impulse 6 second, initial condition at rest at the equilibrium position. Okay, this is a differential equation. Initial condition 0 x sama dengan 0, x dot sama dengan 0. Okay, next. Okay, this interaction set. The first air coaster, omega air, zeta air given damping and critical damping. Next Cold Rider and at different damping over them. Okay. So this is graph. Topic. The image contains three graph comparing the displacement over time for three different shock systems: air coaster, Cold Rider, and extreme shock. Its graph show two curve, one for the give damping and one for critical damp. Okay, number one, air coaster shock system give give them ping besan dengan 100. The blue line so the displacement over time with a give damping coefficient of 100. The displacement start at 0.03 meters and decrease over time, eventually approaching zero. Okay, and critical dam 1260. The orange dashed line represent the displacement with a critical damping coefficient of 1260. The displacement also start at 0.03 meters, but is more rapidly compared to the give damping, reaching zero fast. Okay. Next, cloud rider shock system. Give damping 1050, the blue line. So the displacement over time with give damping coefficient of 1050. The displacement start at 0.03 meter and decrease over time approaching zero. And critical dam 652, the orange dash line represent the displacement with a critical dam coefficient of 652. The displacement start at 0.03 meter and decrease more slowly compared to the give damping and reason reach zero later. And last, and then extreme shock system give damping give them 1110. The blue the the orange line represents the displacement with a critical damping coefficient of 1106. The displacement start at 0.03 meters and decrease at a similar rate to the give damping reaching zero almost simultaneously. Okay, C, discussion and conclusion. Okay, air coaster, the give damping indicates the system is significantly under damped, and the critically damped value which is sama dengan 1259,76 Newton per meter will result in no oscillation and a quick stabilization of the system. And cold rider, the given damping 1050 Newton per meter indicates the system is overdamped. The critically damped value 65174 Newton per meter will result in optimal damping with no oscillation. Extreme shock 1110 Newton per meter indicates the system is nearly critical damp, and the critical damp value 1106,54 Newton per meter is very close to the given damp. And this recommendation based on the analysis extreme shock appear to be best option for the suspension system for the following reason. They are under critical damp, ensuring minimal oscillation and quick stabilization. This make them reliable for protecting the satellite during transportation, while cloud rider are also of favorable option. They are over them and could result in slower response times. Air coaster are under them and will not provide adequate stability. Okay, next, this is number two. This intention, uh, the force acting on the suspension system modeled by F F40 200 sin 4P and needs to be effectively absorbed to avoid bottoming out and subsequent damage. Our goal is to use numerical methods to analyze the performance of different shock absorb specifically air coaster, cold rider, and extreme shock for the suspension system. We aim to achieve this with sanctity, science, and dedication, ensuring the satellite safety during transportation while being mindful of the potential cost saving and that reliability for the program. Okay, this is initial thinking. Solve the non-homogeneous differential equation for a stock type give the external force F40 sama dengan 200 sin and analyze and compare the maximum and minimum displacement for a shock system. Identify the best performing shock based on the displacement response, and then for the recommended shock, solve the homogeneous equation to identify the transient and steady state solution and discuss their impact of on the satellite. Okay, this is idealization. We simplify the complex suspension system to a manage, manageable model described by the differential equation. This is differential equation, and then the shock absorb parameter are air coaster K 220 Newton per meter, B sama dengan 100 Newton per second per meter. And Cloud Rider K sama dengan 59 Newton per meter dan 1050 Newton second per meter, and last Extreme Shock K sama dengan 170 Newton per meter and 1110 Newton second per meter. Okay, this last step, this is interaction set. Okay, first, solve the non-homogeneous differential equation. Solve the differential equation numerical using Euler method, and plot the displacement x40 for its shock absorb, and determine maximum or minimum displacement. Calculate the maximum and minimum displacement. Present the result in a table for comparison, and select the best shock, and then analyze the recommend shock. Solve the associate homogeneous differential equation for the recommend shock. Identify and plot the transient and steady state solution, and discuss the effect of discuss the effect of the transient solution on the satellite. Okay, this first, solve the non-homogeneous equation and plot the solution. We solve the differential equation for a shock system with the external force V40 240. Uh, the differential equation is using Python to solve and plot. This my code parameter, external force, differential equation, soft parameter, air coaster, cold rider, extreme shock, and floating, and okay. Okay, this graphic, this displacement of suspension system for different shock. Okay, first graph, first graphic, this graph show the displacement over time for three different shock system: air coaster, cold rider, and extreme shock. Okay, air coaster, blue line, the displacement start at zero, increase to a peak of about 0,08, and then oscillates the the string amplitude over time. Uh, Lalu Cloud Riders orange line, start at zero, increase to peak out of about 0,04 meter, and then oscillates with a small amplitude compared to air coaster. And extreme shock, green line, start at zero, increase to a peak of about 0.03 meters, and then oscillates with the small amplitude among the three system. Okay. Okay, find maximum or minimum displacement. Uh, calculate the maximum and minimum displacement for each node. Okay, this my code. And then, air coaster 0,07808, maksimal displacementnya dan minimal displacementnya 0,000. Lalu Cloud Rider, maksimal displacementnya 0,04682, minimal displacementnya sama, dan yang terakhir Extreme Shock 0,03985, dan sama juga minimal displacementnya. Oke, C, determine besok. Oke, from the maximum and minimum displacement, uh, develop the performance. Air coaster potentially too oscillatory, cold rider might be too slow to respond, and extreme shock likely the best balance of responsive and damping. The best shock is the one that minimizes the displacement, using the likelihood of bottoming out. And then D, solve homogeneous equation for recombinant shock. Okay, this solve the homogeneous equation, identify the transient and the steady state solution and move them. Okay, this is my code, omega n and basically. Nah, steady state solution and plotting, and so okay, next. Okay, this displacement over time for different damping. Okay, this is my graphic. This is my transient and steady state solution from extreme shock. Okay, this graph so the displacement over time for the extreme shock system, compare the transient solution and the steady state solution. Okay, the blue line, transient solution. The transient solution represent the initial response of the system to this disturbance. In this case, the blue line is almost flat, indicate that the transient response is negligible or has quickly decayed to zero. And then so steady state solution, orange dash line. The steady state solution represent the long term behavior of the system after the transient effect have dissipated. The orange dash line show periodic oscillation with a constant amplitude, indicating that the system is a steady oscillatory state over time. Okay, conclusion. The structural approach, including solve the differential equation, analyze the result, and making recommendation will help determine the best configuration for the suspension system of the STT. The provide code will assist in solving the differential equation and visualizing the displacement over time. Okay, number three. The first step intention, the aim is to confidently argue before the budget commit that employing random stocks. The fact their cost effectiveness will prove inadequate for the suspension system of the STT. The objective is to isolate elucidate the advantage of integrating framing shock, characteristic spring constant K925 Newton per meter, damping koefisiennya 0 Newton second per meter, while also investing the conceivable hazard and determinant inherent in itu random shock. Okay, this initial thinking, we aim to analyze the behavior of the steady suspension system as it counters rock train with equally space rock by modeling the external force using impulse function direct delta. Direct delta, we will evaluate the effectiveness of the first shock absorb extreme shock in protecting the satellite from damage. Okay, this idealization uh, to assume assume that the suspension system behave linearly and the response to impulse can be accurately modeled using a Laplace transform. Rock in the rock terrain are equally spaced, applying identical impulse force, and the initial condition of the system are at equilibrium with with x0 sama dengan zero and dx per dt sama dengan zero. Okay, this last step, instruction set. Okay, the first solve the initial value problem. This equation for random system. Solve this differential equation with the give initial condition. Next, analyze the displacement, determine the maximum displacement over time, identify the condition under which the displacement become extremely large, and interactive plot, create an interactive plot to show the displacement as a function of time and frequency parameter omega. Okay, A, solve the initial value problem, give the external forcing function F40 200 sin 4 omega t. We need to solve the initial value problem for the un undamped spring mass system with the following parameter. Spring constant 25 Newton per meter, damping coefficient 0 Newton second per meter, math M not not specific, but let's assume yeah 1 kilo for simplicity. Okay, next the differential equation. This is and substituting the given value. Okay, to solve this, use the method of under the main coefficient is for the okay next for the particular solution we assume this is min sin 4 omega t and then substitute in the non homogeneous equation this c sama dengan 200 per 25 min 16 omega. Okay, the next the particular solution this and the general solution and applying initial condition x0 sama dengan 0 sorry x0 0 and x dot 0 sama dengan 0 and then the solution is x40 sama dengan min 160 omega per 25 min 16 omega per 2 sin 5t ditambah 200 sin 4 omega t per 25 min 16 omega 2. Okay, significance of the and acceleration of vehicle speed. Anjing, anjing. Okay, the particular solution, this is and the general solution and applying initial condition x0, 0 and x dot 0. Okay, the the solution is x40 sama dengan min 160 omega per 25 min 16 omega pangkat 2 sin 5t plus 200 sin 4 omega t per 25 min 16 omega kuadrat. Oke, and significance of omega and its relation to vehicle speed. The parameter omega represents the degree of roughness of the driving condition. Higher value of omega correspond to rugged driving condition, which can lead to higher frequency oscillation in the suspension system. This affect the stability and comfort of the vehicle as well as the potential for damage to the suspension system and the payload. Payload. Okay, next B, positive value of omega for invalid solution. The solution become invalid when the denominator 25 min 16 omega quadrat approach zero, leading to a resonance condition. Solving for omega 25 dikali min 16 omega kuadrat 2. Oke. And then at omega sama dengan 1,25, the system experience resonance leading to unbound oscillation. Okay, and this Python code uh, K25, parameter K25, mass 1, omega value 1, 0, and uh, and function to calculate displacement and get as for differential omega value and update layout. Okay, next. Okay, this graphic. Okay, this is displacement versus time for different graph omega value. Okay, this graph show the displacement over time for different angular frequency omega value. The x-axis represent time in second and the y-axis represent displacement in meter. Uh, its color line correspond to a different omega value range from 0,10 to 0 to 9. Okay, observation, the displacement oscillates over time with the frequency and amplitude of oscillation varying based on the omega value. Higher value, higher omega value result in higher frequency oscillation, while lower value, while lower omega value result in lower frequency oscillation. The amplitude of oscillation also, but the general trend is that the system exhibit periodic behaviors. Okay, the analysis and interactive plot demonstrate that shocks are insufficient for the suspension system. The system is prone to resonance under certain different condition, and this justifies the need for a more robust suspension system with them to ensure stability and safety. Okay, next is number 4. Okay, the first intention, the goal is to understand the behavior of the trailer when subject to the force product by hairstyle defender V and M3V hit high power machine gun. This involves plotting the displacement data, estimating the damping coefficient, and analyzing the possibility of resonance orbits. Okay, next this initial thinking. Uh, the first model the system use the give parameter setup the differential equation for the schema system. Next plot the data, visualize visual visualize the visualize the displacement data to understand the behavior of the trailer, estimate damping coefficient, and analyze resonance. Okay, next. Okay, this idealization, we sum the mass of the trailer, the mass of the trailer and the gun is 4.000 kilogram. The spring constant of the shock is 5.000 Newton per meter. The damping coefficient needs to be estimated. The external force is 300 cos, and the initial condition are x for 0 sama dengan 0 and dx dt sama dengan 0. Okay, the equation of motion is m md kuadrat x per dt kuadrat plus This per dt plus Kx sama dengan 300 cos 4t. Oke, next is interaction set. The first plot the data, and estimate the damping coefficient. Develop a model for the system and estimate the damping coefficient by minimize the ISE between the observed data and the model prediction, and evaluate resonance orbits. Analyze the model to determine if resonance orbits are reasonable explanation for the observed behavior, and assess structural integrity. Determine if the system motion will cause the displacement to the SOX limit of 0.5 meter, indicate potential structural failure. Okay, the first is A, plot the data and describe the behavior. Okay, the provide code plots the displacement data of the trail of time. The plots help visual how the trailer displacement change due to the force applied by the machine gun. Okay, this my code. Uh, data T data, X data, plot data. Next. Okay, uh, this my graph, explanation of the graph, first the displacement of the trailer over time. This graph show the displacement of a trailer over time. The x x axis represent time in second, and the y axis represent displacement in meter. Observation, the displacement data blue line so that the trailer displacement varies over time with both positive and negative value indicate oscillation. The displacement start at zero, increase to a peak of about 0, 0 to meter, decrease to a trough of about min, to about negative 0.3 meters and continue to oscillate with varying amplitude. Okay, the displacement data so oscillatory behavior indicate that the trailer is experiencing vertical motion due to the force applied by the machine gun. The oscillation sag that the system may be under them, leading to sustained oscillation over time. Okay, B, estimate the damping coefficient. This damping coefficient from spicy optimist inward curve. Uh, Oke, dan didapatkan estimate damping coefficient sebesar 5.5746,18 Newton second per meter. Oke, next. Oke, next C. Analyze resonance orbits to determine if the system is experiencing resonance orbit. We need to analyze the frequency response. If the natural frequency of the system is close to the forcing frequency, resonance minor occur. Sorry. Okay. Resonance analyze the natural frequency of the system is uh, K per M sama dengan 5.000 per 4.000 sama dengan 1,12 rad. Kan the Frequency frequency is lambda V 1 rad. Kan since the forcing frequency is close to the natural frequency, the system is likely experiencing resonance and leading to pulse oscillation. Okay, next D. Assess structural integrity to determine if the system motion will cause the displacement to set to shock limit of 0 for 4.5 0.5 meter. We need to analyze the maximum displacement. Okay, if the maximum displacement, the structural integrity of the track will be compromised. Here is the Python code to solve the differential equation. Okay, this Python code for D, ya, parameter differential equation using ODE, and then this this graphic for the okay this graphic displacement of the trailer over time. This graph show the displacement of a trailer over time. The x-axis represent time in second and the y-axis represent displacement in meter. Okay, the first displacement blue line. The displacement of the trailer over time. The displacement oscillates starting from zero, ri- raising peaks and trough and gradually decreasing in amplitude. The maximum displacement of observed is around for 0.5 meter, and then red dash line makes displacement limit. Uh, so that the displacement exceed this limit at certain points, which is highlighted by the warning at the bottom of the graph. Okay, warning the displacement exceed the limit of 0.5 meter, structural integrity may be compromised. Okay, conclusion data plot the displacement data so pronounced oscillations suggest significant vertical motion, damping coefficient, resonance orbit, and structural integrity. The displacement set the 0.5 meter limit suggests that without intervention, the structural integrity of the trailer will be compressed. It is crucial to use appropriate dam shocks to prevent damage. Okay, the last question, number five, intention. The goal is to model the suspension system of an traversing rugged terrain with exposed rock. This involves establishing the initial value problem, solving it using Laplace transform method, verifying the solution with Mathematica, and analyzing the system performance and structural integrity. Okay, initial thinking. The first model system use the give parameter to set up the differential equation, solve the IVP, verify the solution, use the Mathematica to verify the solution, analyze performance, determine the maximum and minimum displacement, and discuss the performance of the shock system, and then structural integrity, determine if the system motion will cause the displacement to exceed the source limit, indicate potential structural failure. Okay, next idealization. Uh, Same before. Lalu next differential equation ya, dan didapatkan initial conditionnya x0 sama dengan 0 dan x dot for 0 sama dengan 0. Um, ini untuk idealisasi ini sama semua sistem parameternya. Oke, next interaction set. Oke, so with the initial value problem parameter didapatkan ini yang tadi ya, sama seperti nomor sebelumnya. Oke, kita langsung saja ke sini. Solve the using Laplace transform method. Take the Laplace transform of both sides of the differential equation. Use the property of the direct delta function. Solve for the Laplace transform and perform the inverse Laplace transform to find x40 and verify the solution with mathematics. Okay, analyze performance, find the maximum and minimum displacement x max dan x min, discuss the performance of the long system over the long run. Yang terakhir, atas structural integrity, determine if the displacement exceed the source limit of 0.2 meter, analyze the effect of the using the time background impulse. 2 seconds, provide guidance for traversing target trend. Okay, next. Okay, detail step and solution. A. Establish the initial value problem with initial conditions the 0, 0. B. Solve the using Laplace transform method, taking the Laplace transform of both sides. This simplifying and solve for x, and then inverse Laplace transform is practice partial fraction decomposition and inverse Laplace transform to find x for t. This step can be complex using computational tools like mathematics. Okay, see, this verify the solution with mathematical code. Ya, define parameter, MK beta, define the differential equation, initial condition, solve the differential equation, plot the solution. Oke, next. Oke, di assess structural integrity, number one, maximum and minimum displacement. Analyze the solution to find the maximum and minimum displacement. Use the plot to visually the inspect the displacement over time. This code, for maximum and minimum displacement, x max and v max, x min and v min. Discuss the performance of the system if x max 0,5 or X-nya ya ini. Oke, next. Structural integrity, check if the displacement 0 for 0.2 meter, if the time between impulse is equal to 2 seconds, evaluate the displacement within which, if the displacement set the shock limit, recommend reducing speed or avoiding extremely when trained, and consider using more robust shock absorb or additional damping mechanism. Okay, this graphic first, displacement of STT trailer over train train, description, this graph show the displacement of the STT travel of ini. Okay. Uh, X-axis time in second. The time is measured in second, range from 0 to 60 second, and Y-axis, the range range for range from 0 to 3.5 meter. Okay, observation. The displacement start at 0, rapidly increase to peak of about 3.5 meter around 10 seconds, and then gradually decrease back to 0 by around uh, 30 seconds. This indicates a significant initial displacement followed by effect over time. This code, okay, this graphic. Okay, next. Okay, this bonus question, uh, Elon Musk question to AGI. Okay, connecting Musk question to Islamic thought. Oh, okay. Musk's question about the nature of reality and literary life in assimilation thoughts on often philosophical and theological issue. In in Islam, the concept of reality is deeply intertwined with the belief in a single omnipotent creator. The Quran and Hadith provide guidance on understanding the nature of existence and the universe, emphasizing that all knowledge ultimately comes from Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. While most questions reflect a curiosity about the fundamental nature of our existence from an Islamic perspective, such inquiries will be framed within the context of seeking knowledge to better understand Allah and Europe plays within the pursuit of knowledge, including the exploration of advanced technology like AGI, is encouraged as long as it leads to great understanding and benefit humanity in accordance with Islamic principle. Um, while Elon Musk's question to an AGI reflect his interest in the simulation hypothesis, the Islamic perspective on AGI emphasizes technical use, alignment with Maqasid al-Sharia, and the pursuit of knowledge for the betterment of humanity. But few highlight the importance of understanding and exploring the nature of our existence, but from different philosophical and theological standpoint. Oke, alhamdulillahirobbilalamin, karena kita sudah menyelesaikan semua ini. Next. Oke, eh mungkin sekian saja dari saya. Eh Terima kasih banyak untuk Prof. Ahmad Indra Sewantara atau Pak Dai dan Bu 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 Ella, maaf Bu Ila dan Pak Edo, atas bantuannya selama ini. Saya merasa di kelas metode metode numerik ini saya mendapatkan eh, banyak hal yang baru, banyak apa ya, sesuatu yang nggak nggak ada di semua gitu. Jadi terima kasih banyak untuk semuanya. Mohon maaf, saya juga saya yakin selama ini saya masih banyak kurang dan salahnya, dan di PPT ini mohon maaf bila ada kesalahan atau kekurangannya, karena saya yakin saya masih banyak yang salah. Oke, terima kasih semuanya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Stay consist.